So this video is going to cover off the first in the series of indicator walkthroughs, which is the trend machine. Trend machine indicator is developed to simply get you in the trade at the start of the trend and to keep you in the trade until the end of the trend. It's pretty much as simple as it gets. Within the trend machine, there's a couple of SMAs. They are kept internal to Trading Realm, just so the code is not copied. But essentially, the two EMAs here work as a crossover. When it crosses over into the buy signal, bars are coloured green, and conversely, when it crosses down, bars are coloured black, or whatever colour you want to set it up to. A couple of options: you can disable the bar colours if you like. I would strongly advise against that, especially if you're new, if you're looking to stay in the trend until the very end, or you could simply turn them off altogether. We do have a 200 EMA, which is a common one. And again, that's just been updated to be colour coded: black for downtrend and green for uptrend. If you're relatively new to trading, you have the option to set a stop. You have the option to set the suggested short stop loss or the long stop loss, and that does exactly as it says on the tin. When a green candle issues a buy signal, you'll get the green crosses, and that's where you have your stop loss, and the stop loss will trail when it thinks, to ensure that you get the most out of the trade possible. Additionally, you've got the option to use a higher time frame resolution. Both the first option and the second option, so you can have two separate times looking at resistance, trending resistance rather than support resistance over the higher time frame. So I've set this on 1 hour and just enable the lines. And then depending on what you've set it to, you'll have the hourly support and resistance trend lines. It's important to note this is not traditional trend lines, this is purely support and resistance trend lines. So it's not a straight horizontal across the way for support, and it's not a straight line for the trend, although it is depicted as a straight line here. Whether you have these on or not is up to yourself. You can customize it if you like, and you have the option to have, for example, 1 hour on one timeline and 15 minutes or half an hour on another timeline, depending what time frame you're trading. When you're taking the trade, particularly on a buy or a sell, there's a couple of ways you can enter it. You can wait till all the confluences are in place, i.e. you get a sell signal, bar is coloured black, and it's beneath the 200 EMA. And the short stop loss goes usually at the last swing point. However, for this one you would have got stopped out. What it's designed to do is get you in trades like this. You can simply take the buy or the sells as you like, or add in the additional confluence for additional support from the 200 EMA. One thing to note, you have to use your judgment for stop losses. So here, the swing low technically would be here. However, as this is all relative equal lows, defer back to here. And that's it. Works best on 15 minutes up to 4 hours, whatever you want to use. I would recommend that you don't go below 15 minutes on this for best results, but it's entirely your choice. As you can see, the higher time frame you go, the less signals you get, but the bigger moves you get. So 1 to 11. It's not too bad.